I ain't no pro, but like I've been learning some of the things we're gonna do is I cut these wires in two, and I know it's blue and they should be two different colors, but I just don't have that right now. I might make it a little shorter. No, I should be fine. I'll have pretty. I'll make it a little shorter. A little shorter. Ain't that shit ain't hurt nobody. So you got these two wires right here. I'm gonna be showing you two ways to connect or combine the wires. Sorry, I don't know words. I haven't been in school for like almost damn near 3 years now. I'm gonna use this razor just to put the wires in here so I can hold it so I don't fucking kill myself or burn the house down. Got some solder from Harbor Freight. I heard this was like not the best one because it's from Harbor Freight, but it's a good one to use. And I just been practicing. Bought one of these pens. I also have one of the guns, but I like the pens a little more than the gun. It takes forever to heat up and you have to hold the trigger. One of these I think is pretty neat, you know what I mean? You got all the gauges right here, and then you have the crimp. Not the best, but it is what it is. And like if this thing holds up, like it holds it. Well, not really, I don't give a fuck. But yeah, I don't know what these holes do, but you know, it is what it is, and we're gonna get to it. So first thing we want to do is, so say we're in a situation where we have two wires like coming in, right? So we're just gonna cut it. If I'm not fucking stupid, cut it like that. Say automotive or some shit. We have two wires. And I don't know if it's in the frame. It is in the frame. You know, we gotta bind these together, whatever. So what we're gonna do is, fucking stupid. Did I fucking like say what we needed? So you're a broke boy, okay? I got like this cool lighter. It works. But the lighter, you're also going to need some of the heat shrink tubing. Got this from Harbor Freight for like $5-6. I thought it was pretty worth it. I also got this, one of the heat guns. It's okay, but I'm gonna show you the hood way. You feel me? Also got a little bit of flux. A little bit of flux ain't never hurt nobody. You feel me? What else? A little sponge to wipe down. Sorry, I thought I heard something. To wipe down the thing right here. That's what we're gonna do right now. Because I do use it. I think I said that, if I'm not fucking stupid. Alright, let's get to it. So, what I like to start off with is with the wire. This is gonna be an 18 gauge. Oh my fucking god, why is a dog barking? This is 18 gauge right here. You know, find it right there. I don't know if that's gonna focus. No clue. I really don't care. Gotta twist it a little bit. I like doing a little loop around my finger and then pushing it out. And that is good. And we're gonna do it with the other one. 18, like so. Gonna go up and down, make a little loop. Beautiful. Now we got both of our little wires. Look at that. And then we're gonna do it one more time because, I mean, I'm gonna edit a lot out, but I just need to post a video because I'm not the best at being consistent. And listen, I have 17 subscribers. The best. So like I said, 18 hear a little snip, bada bang, a little loop. Beautiful. I'm not too sure if you're supposed to do the loop. I think it's useful. Maybe it damages the wire. I don't know. I'll find out one day. I will. And right there. Boom. Move it a little bit. Little loop. Somehow you can just... Cool, now you don't need that anymore. And I almost fucking burned my fucking hand with the fucking thing. Alright, cool. So now that you have your wires, or whatever, if you can see that, yeah, pretty much. Yeah. There's two ways I found out you can do it. So the first way, I don't remember the name, I don't. But what you're gonna do with the wire is you're going to spin it like that. Just like that. I don't know. Where the hell's my camera? Don't know. Don't really care. So, how this one works is you're gonna put it in like an X, and then you're gonna twist it around. Twist it around, and then you get this beautiful braid right here. Look at that. Oh, look, my camera kind of works. Beautiful braid. So that's the first one we're gonna do. Second one, I like it. I like that one too, but twine those wires together, and then you spin it around. Then you get a connection just like that. I don't know if it's gonna focus. There we go. Pretty mint. Just gonna watch out for stuff like that right there. You don't want stuff poking out. Cool. Alright, and now this is the part where we're gonna fucking solder this shit together. I'm just using this to hold it because I'm not safe at all when I do shit like this whatsoever. But I mean, it is what it is. I don't know if you can see my face or not. I really don't care. Alright, cool. So what we're gonna do is, I don't know if you can hear me because I'm using my earbud, but we're gonna start off with this one. I actually like this braided one, so what I'll do is straighten it out just a little bit, like putting it in these holes. I'm not trying to move the thing at all either, because that's where the camera's kind of centered. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna put a little bit of flux. And I like flux. Flux is alright. I think it's pretty neat. I really don't want, even though I have gloves on, I don't really want to touch it. I just don't feel like to. And take like a reasonable amount of flux. Can you not? There we go. So right here. Cool. Let's just put the little poker thing right in there with it. And then you get your little heat source or whatever, and we're gonna get our little thingamajiggy or solder ready. Let's see, this is, I don't know if you're gonna see it on cam, but it's gonna like start melting in or boiling in, just like so. Should I be breathing this stuff in? Not really, but do I care? Not really. I do. Cool. And it's cold. I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit. But what I will get ready is tubing. I wanted to do like a different color tube. Oh, here's where it is. Put that up there. And pretend like we didn't take this apart. Because you always want to put your little tubing first. But, you know, guys, I mean, shit. Listen, I didn't have the fucking time. I just want to see how far it's going to go. Right there. Right there is perfect. Now, what you could do, you could use a heat gun. Like so. I think the heat gun's pretty cool, but most people aren't going to have a heat gun, you feel me? So, just use a lighter. I like the torch lighter. And then, in the miracle, look at that. Pretty neat, pretty neat.